In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Fortnite loading screen is frozen or stuck. Now to do this, what we want to do is open up Epic Games, find the Fortnite and click the three dots, go to Manage and Verify Files. Now if you don't see this option in here, it's probably because you have an update for the Fortnite that you need to take first. After that you can close it down, and then what we want to do is we want to come down here and search for run, type in temp, press OK, and then delete everything in here. Now I just deleted everything in here not too long ago, so probably you have a lot more than me. But what you want to do is press delete, and if this pops up, check this and just press skip. So we're just gonna keep the stuff right here that we cannot delete. After that, come here and search for local app percentage, local app data percentage, press enter and find the Fortnite game, saved, config, Windows client, and in here you should have one called game user settings. What you want to do is you want to right click on it and go to properties. In here you want to make sure that read only is unticked. So make sure that one is unticked. And then what you can do is you can close it down. Right click on your desktop, go to display settings. Now in here you want to make sure that your scale and resolution is under recommended, just like this. And then what you should do is you should check if you have a Windows update. So check right here if you have one, take it if you have one. And then the last step is you want to open up your driver for your graphics card. So mine is the NVIDIA. So I would open it up and then I would go to drivers, check that I have the latest driver and install that one. Once you've done doing all of that, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.